She covers up her smile, I wonder for what purpose. Maybe it's just too beautiful and I don't deserve it, but that's so cute. You will see me act so stupid just to see it again, cause it makes me happy too. Who is she? She could be any pinay, loving her style, one of a kind. No one could make me smile quite like my tita Iday. So when I left the global city I almost cried, only to arrive in Manila for a while. Then I see the joyful people there and everything is fine. Mama speaks the language called waray waray. In Japanese that means to smile double time. Can't deny my Eastern Visayan pride, and this goes out to all Filipinos worldwide. Looking so fantastic, why are they so happy? No need to understand it, appreciate the gladness. Ain't seen nothing like it for a while. What's that? That's a natural Filipino smile. Have you ever seen macho men giggling in the Philippines? That's normal, they don't have to be too cool for that. And if the smile disappears, it comes back faster than a boomerang. The definition of macho-ness will make you go wow. The greatest boxer alive, his name is Manny Pacquiao. Incredible technique, incredible style. Funny thing, his laugh is just like that of a child. You gotta love it, a smiley face can never be ugly. You must be talking about those creepy clowns or freaky puppets. Never putting any kind of people above this. Filipinas, you're so pretty and I love your smile. Looking so fantastic, why are they so happy? No need to understand it, appreciate the gladness. Ain't seen nothing like it for a while. What's that? That's a natural Filipino smile. 99 problems and a smile on your face. I'm only half Filipino but I can relate. It's a cultural trait, you know the culture is great. Despite poverty and pain, so many smiles they remain on so many faces. And if you got them then don't be ashamed, please show me your braces. I used to have it, these teeth, I look like a rabbit, and that's what makes me so amazing. So show them what you are, what you're feeling on this day. Filipino, feeling great. Filipino DNA contains the gene that makes your lips separate. Make a space for your teeth to see the light of day. Looking fresh, looking so fantastic, why are they so happy? No need to understand it, appreciate the gladness. Ain't seen nothing like it for a while. What's that? That's a natural Filipino smile.